shock you. In terms of ICT competence and awareness, I don't know another public school. Maybe because I have not traveled of late to many public schools, but I do not know another public school that has the exposure that you people have. It should be part of the national curriculum. The example being set here should just be compulsory as a national curriculum. Because if you want to bridge the gap which is there insofar as inequality is concerned, it is for us not to give excuses and say, oh, we don't have infrastructure. It's to improvise and make sure that you were able to give all our children opportunity to become
this with the name of helping them to have great abilities, essential for success in the modern world. Moreover, like you've just heard, they open doors to diverse career opportunities and equip our young ones with the tools to thrive in this digital era.
Every child in our country deserves a chance to do coding. Not only because coding is cool and is unconventional, but because coding is the language of the future. And that future is now. If the West discovered Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, Mugoiri Girls is going to produce the next apps, the next generational social campaigns and platforms. Our own Ministry of Education and the Ministry of ICT, specifically the Communications Authority of Kenya, to immediately come together and find a way of sponsoring these courses in partnership with Safaricom, Countries Africa, and I've seen women in technology, so that we can begin supporting our students.
Please celebrate yourselves that you are making the first steps towards pioneering in that area.
You remove the whole thing.